Hello class 9 students. Today I am going to deliver the last video of this lesson political science, and in the next session I will start history lesson number 3, that is Mohammedan rebellion that was started in Assam. Let's start with the answers. That is the long answers that I am going to give you today. The first question is similar to question number 5. Give very short answer. Same as question number 5. It is in page number 10, 1.5, point number 1.5. The first 5 lines you copy it from the book. It will be helpful for you to write from the book. So the second question. Discuss 2 merits and 2 demerits of the coalitions or the alliance government. So the answers are here of question number 2. 2 merits of coalition government are: number A, regional representations. Different regions and various castes and communities get better representation in the alliance government than the one party rule. I repeat again, different regions and various castes and communities get better representations in the alliance government than the one party rule. Number B, situational. The alliance government is suitable for the requirement of the situation and time. These were the 2 merits of coalition government. Next, of the same question, 2 demerits of the coalition government are: number A, unstable and short-lived. The greatest demerits of the alliance government is its instability. There is the possibility that the parties forming the alliance to form the government may withdraw their support. Number B, threat to national interest. In this government, regional considerations as well as some communal forces have to be accommodated and given preference. I repeat, in this government, regional consideration as well as some communal forces have to be accommodated and given preference. I hope so you will try to understand the answer that I am dictating to you. Better you take the textbook with you and find out the part that I have mentioning, that I am dictating with you. It will be helpful for writing with correct spelling from the lesson. The answer to question number 3. The question is, discuss the role of the opposition in democracy. Number 3. The roles of opposition are as follows. Number A, the opposition party must keep a constant vigil like a watchdog. Number B, the opposition must bring the people to the light on the floor of parliament if any plans, schemes or programs of the government is not in order. Number C, the hopes and aspirations of the mass people have to be presented in a proper way to show that the government takes due notice of them. Number D, to remain well prepared to form alternative government as and when such necessity and situation arises. Number E, to mold public opinion in an effective manner. Again, I repeat the same question, the same answer of the question. Number 3, the role of opposition are as follows. Number A, the opposition party must keep a constant vigil, V-I-G-I-L, like a watchdog. Number B, the opposition must bring the people to the light on the floor of parliament if any plans, schemes or programs of the government is not in order. Number C, the hopes and aspirations of the mass people have to be presented in a proper way so that the government takes due notice of them. Number D, to remain well prepared to form alternative government as and when such necessity and situation arise. Number E, to mold public opinion in an effective manner. So this is answer to question number 3. Let's start with answer to question number 4. It is quite long enough, so listen carefully and try to note it down, the answer. Answer to question number 4. The question is, discuss the main reason for the birth of regional parties. The answer is here under: the birth of regional political parties in India is a significant aspect of the Indian political party system. Again I repeat, the birth of regional political parties in India is a significant aspect of the Indian political party system. India is full of different languages, religions, and diverse cultures for which the people belonging to various castes and communities inhabiting in India tend to preserve their own interest and indigenous identity intact that results in the birth of many regional political parties in the country. This is the first paragraph of this answer. Again I repeat, the birth of regional political parties in India is a significant aspect of the Indian political party system. India is full of different languages, religions, and diverse cultures for which the peoples belonging to various castes and communities inhabiting in India tend to preserve their own interest and indigenous identity intact that results in a part of many regional political parties in the country. Second paragraph, next paragraph, change the paragraph. The main factors included, that is the birth of regional party, starting of the regional party, the main factors included the discriminatory views, attitudes, and principles of all the Indian national parties. The first one. The second one is that the insecure feelings among the minorities. The third one, the lack of equal justification of the union government towards all states, and so on. Answer to question number 5. The question is, write about the necessity of political parties in a democratic states. The importance of political parties came into being after the emergence of democratic pursuits. With the dawn of democracy, the political party came into existence and it became a part and parcel of the system of democratic government. The importance of political parties came into being after the emergence of democratic pursuits. With the dawn of democracy, the political party came into existence and it became a part and parcel of the system of democratic government. At present, democracy and the political party are complementary to each other. As without the political party, democracy is useless. Similarly, without democracy, political party is meaningless. Political party is the link between the rulers and the public. It brings the common people closer to the administration. I repeat again the answer. The importance of political parties came into being after the emergence of democratic pursuits. With the dawn of democracy, the political party came into existence and it became a part and parcel of the system of democratic governance. Next paragraph. At present, democracy and the political party are complementary to each other. As without the political party, democracy is useless. Similarly, without democracy, political party is meaningless. Political party is the link between the ruler and the public. It brings the common people closer to the administration. So this is the answer of question number 5. And there are two more questions, number 6 and 7. Mention the characteristics and the function of political party. Number 7, discuss the reason for getting special significance by the system of the alliance government at present. So these two questions are homework for you, and it is in the middle of this video that I am mentioning that question number 6 and 7 are homework for you, and it will decide that if you are not negligible in watching the videos, you will get the instruction in the middle of the videos as number 6 and 7 homework. Others, the other student will find number 6 and 7, asked me to give me the answer, as I have already given the homework in this video. So if you are watching the video, that definitely you will hear that this 6 and 7 is homework. So I will understand that how many of you are watching the videos and concerned about your studies or sitting idle in your own homes as this lockdown procedure is going on. You see, the lockdown, whether it is being extended, but in the school time, the time is being lost, and it is being instructed by the higher authorities that we cannot continue the lessons in the class. Although 1 month has gone, and another month again it will be shut down. So as the ongoing holidays in the school, so we cannot continue the lessons. So better through this media you have to learn, you have to read your answer, you have to read your lesson, you have to ask the question, you have to interact the teacher, interact your concerning teachers about your concerning subject. What problem do you have? If you don't ask any question, there are WhatsApp groups that has been formed by various teachers. You have to ask the question. You see, in the school from 9 to 2 p.m. the teachers are already involved in imparting lesson, in imparting education to the student. So what are we doing at home from 9 to 10? We are preparing lessons, videos, audios and other journals for you, preparing. So better at that time you regard, you may be at school, you may be at home, but regard that it is your school time that is going on from 9 to 2 p.m. So it is your right to ask us your problem, about your answers, about your questions. So it is our duty to provide you the answers. So in this regard you have to show your enthusiasm by following the instruction given to you by the teachers, as I have already instructed here in the middle of this video about the answers that you are to write, which you are to write and which you are getting in these videos. So this is the last video of these lessons that I have already completed, and also we the teachers have to give you the report, give the report to the concerning authorities. So better respond to the videos, respond to the study imparting that the teachers are going to impart. If you are not responsive, then we will fail in our own concerning activities, and the consequence will be what? The losses of you are thinking the school will open and the teachers are going to repeat the same lesson, but there will be no time to repeat the lesson, and almost the annual exams will be near to you. Now forget about the concerning coming examination that has to become before you. You have to continue the lesson, you have to complete the lessons. So for the time being I remain in regards to these lessons. So I want to hear from you that what is the condition that you are going on, what are the conditions you are facing. Are you studying well, or you are passing your time by watching mobile phones, or whatever it is. I have seen that my videos that I have already uploaded, the students are watching only 1 or 2 minutes of the lessons, 1 or 2 minutes of the discussions. I have seen the views, and in that views I see that the average viewing, it is only 20%. Almost all the videos that I have already uploaded, it is almost about 14 to 15 videos that I have already till now, till date, from class 9, 8, 9, 10 together. But mostly class 9 are not watching the videos. The average of the videos that I am getting is less than 20%, 25%. So it seems that you are starting the videos, and before ending the videos you are skipping the videos. So it is dangerous for you, and you cannot expect for the repeat of the videos, and you cannot expect that we are going to the school, we are returning to school when the school will open, and we are repeating the lessons. So being in the class, it is quite easy to impart education, but in this online process it is very difficult. We have to prepare the videos, and for preparing videos of 15 minutes it will take hours for us, because no, we are not editor, we are not scientist, we are not computer operator, we are not expert in this making videos. So after taking several retakes we have to make these videos, and it is quite difficult for us, for all the teachers. So better you have to give importance, you have to give obedience, and also you have to give your own concern in regards to watching these videos. So I hope so you will watch the videos, and next class I will start history lesson number 3. 2 lessons that have already have been completed in the school. So the third lesson I have to finish in this way continuously, and we don't know what the futures is going on. In the future what will happen? We thought that lockdown will be over after 14th of April, but it is still being extended to April 30th. So we cannot say. So better we go through the lesson. There are various electronic medias, and also we are trying to provide you lessons through various electronic medias, and hope so you are happy enough enjoying the vacations, corona vacations. But be careful, utilize at least few hours for your studies. It will be helpful for you. Otherwise, we will stay in the school, but you will be passing after due consideration without passing your examination with minimum marks, and you will be expecting to get better marks in your matric examination, and in this way your studies will be go on, and in future you will lag behind. It will be your own discrepancies that you will be experiencing in your future. So better you go through your lessons, and it is necessary for you, and at least give us some importance that you are watching the videos. Thank you.